Something we all take for granted in our cars is the lighting. You hit the brakes, the lights come on, it gets dark, the headlights pierce the night. But now, especially in the 2010 models, lighting has become an important element in the design of a car.
I think personalization is a trend that's growing in cars, and obviously if you can add customized lighting to a vehicle as part of that, that's going to work for you. And I think that's what you're seeing in these vehicles is the ability to personalize it simply by changing the light color, kind of reflect your moods.
And moods change, depending on whether you're going to work or out to a night on the town. You can change colors to match how you feel with a touch of a button and LED lighting technology.
So you can get a very crisp color that you can relate to. A blue is very blue, whereas is more pure as opposed to a saturated color that is filtered. So it allows a more aesthetic appeal in the interior, a crisper look that the consumer can relate to.
You can change it from morning till night, you can change it from one day to the next, change it from work days to weekends, and it seems like a rather simple thing, but it just gives you a little bit of variety and again makes you feel like you're more in one with what the car is and the presentation and the interior of the vehicle.
As the 2010 models roll out, manufacturers know that consumers want the most for their money, and car buyers are looking to get a car they can make their own, from headlights to taillights and everywhere in between. This is Mike Morris.